Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on something that we just installed. Again, I'm not at the shop. I'm currently working remote, so I have a video that my guys have made to show what they just recently installed, and that was a Blackvue DR750X 3-channel plus. And I apologize for being a little slow on that model number, but it's the end of the day and I'm a little bit tired and I want to get this video made for everybody to check out this brand new product from Blackvue. So the Blackvue DR750X 3-channel plus, I'm just going to go down here to the listing and I'm going to show you guys what it is. It's basically this guy right here. And let me just zoom in on this screen so you can see it. It is a 3-channel camera, and it comes with the front body camera, the rear camera, and then the interior camera. What's cool about this model of camera is it's using the DR750X front body camera, which is a 1080p 60 frames per second cloud-enabled Wi-Fi camera with GPS built in. It's got the 720p rear camera right here, and then a 720p IR equipped interior camera. So if you're somebody that's driving, let's say a Lyft or an Uber or a taxi, this is the perfect camera for you. But even more than that, I believe that the 3-channel dash camera market is going to be extremely popular going into 2022 and outwards to 2023. I think it's going to probably be one of the most popular dash camera market segments out there, and it's going to surpass the 2-channel market, which would be standard front and rear cameras. Now, I'll go through a couple of things. This camera comes with a 32 gigabyte card included. You're capable of upgrading it all the way to a 256. Whether you use a SanDisk card or a Blackvue card is up to you, but it is capable of handling up to 256 gigs of memory. You can add dash camera batteries, such as the Blackvue B112, the ThinkWare BAB50, or in the case of this video, you'll see that we added a Blackvue B124X, which is the flagship Bluetooth enabled battery from Blackvue. You can add the cloud connectivity module, which is the CM100 LTE. We did not do that in this video, but we did, or we have done that for others in the past. Basically, this is an LTE, 4G LTE enabled module that has the capability of having a SIM card put in it so that you can use Blackvue over the cloud, which is the remote viewing software that Blackvue offers with their dash cameras. That is an option that you can add to the DR750X series and the DR900X series, and in this case, the DR750X 3-channel plus. Go down here, check out some of the specs. As I mentioned, 60 frames per second on the front, 30 frames per second on the interior, 30 frames per second on the rear. The camera is equipped with Wi-Fi. It is equipped with GPS. Here are your viewing angles, 139 degree in the front, 119 on the interior, 139 on the rear. The camera is black in color, cylindrical in design, comes with a 32 gig card, and is capable of going up to 256 as mentioned. The other thing that you can see on our listing is the current consumption requirements. If you visit lockdownsecurity.ca and you type in DR750X 3-channel plus, you'll be able to get to this listing and you're going to be able to see it. And then basically what I want to do is show you the video that my guys made. So I'm just going to expand this screen, get you a full screen here, and let's listen to what my coworker Harrison can describe how we installed and what we installed on this Chevy pickup. So as you saw in that video, my coworker Harrison described the products that we installed and how we installed it. This particular install was in a brand new GMC Sierra 2500, beautiful truck. Fit perfectly. If we kind of zoom back in here, you'll see there's the front camera mounted on the front windshield. There's the interior camera. And then as we showed you, I'll just rewind here. The rear camera was mounted right back there on the left-hand side window, because this particular vehicle had the middle window that opened. So we had to mount the rear camera off to the side. So there you have it. Basically, if you or someone you know is looking for a dash camera for your vehicle, the Blackvue DR750X 3-channel plus is a great purchase. We do have many other models of 3-channel cameras here at Lockdown Security, and other 2 channels, 1 channels, 4 channels as well. We consider ourselves dash camera experts at Lockdown Security, and we would love for you to reach out to us. 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.